There you go, his bathroom nicely tiled. So get that in for your corners. Beautiful. Nice bath panel. Back wall. So what we're going to do today, first thing, we're going to do the shower, do the tap. Look at that. It's like a work of art. Just like a work of art. No messing. He's like a master, is my Tyler. I've never known anybody better. So we'll get that tap on, get the shower on, get this radiator on, then we will put the units in. So the first thing I do, clean my pipe. Because my Tyler puts adhesive on my pipe, just to annoy me. Look at that, look at bundle he's left on it. Winds me up. That's why I put silicone on his walls. Silicone on his walls and it just winds him up, he has to take it off. So he gets me back. Clean your pipe up. And I just clean that up a bit more. And then we'll slide his bracket on and mark it. I can do with a bit more cleaner. There we go, beautiful. Slide his bracket on. Bracket, slide it on. And then we mark it. As it happens, I just got my old pencil in my pocket. Mark it on the inside of it. You can measure it off wall, but what's the point of measuring it? Just push your bracket on. Mark it on the inside, we know where they both are, then we'll cut it off. If you've never done this, make sure you put something in bath. Chances are you're going to drop something in it. I do it all the time, so I'm used to it. Very cautious, very cautious. And I don't like putting stuff in bath because if there's a bit of grout or a bit of something in it, and you've got something down in the bath, and then you're stepping in it, scratches it. So at least I know what's in that bath, so I see what's in that bath. So if there's out there, I know. But when I first started 20 odd years ago, I've damaged a bath or two. Not dropping something in it when I was tiling. When I used to use tub gear, then I used to try and grout it. Tile used to fall off wall, boom, straight through bath. Bish bash bosh, new bath. Now we use bag gear. So once you cut it like that, get your bracket on. Because we know all we have to do is mark his holes, drill them. Mark his other hole, drill it. Like so. So at times, these brackets, you got to check that they fit, which they don't fit. So you have to modify them. Modify them like that. Trim that little edge off, and then trim the other side off. Always wear glasses. of modification, make it square. Yeah. Make it square and then it fits. Fits your bracket. Beautiful like that. Bit of improvisation. But if you would have put that on wall first, you wouldn't have been able to do that. We haven't affected the bracket, we've still got enough room to screw in. But the bracket's going to go over. Get them like that and then just screw on. But this bath tap is different. So it most probably could catch a lot of people out. And then you'd be thinking, what am I going to do? That's what you do, just chop it off. Bish bash bosh. Don't worry about damaging these tiles because of porcelain. Right, so after I've cleaned it now, I put my towel on there, put my towel on the bath. Because when you're drilling tiles, if the bit gets too warm, sometimes the bits can fall off. So if you don't have something there to catch it, so you can lift it straight off, you can mark the bath slightly. Now, these are the best tile bits I've ever used. Bish bash bosh MJC 6mm, like bulletproof. These are porcelain tiles, solid. Watch them drill. They will work with an impact, but I'm using this because you need the fastest drill you can. They need to be fast. Do you know what I mean? I don't use a load of water with them. I just go straight through the tile with them. I just dip it, tile, dip it, tile, and one bit should do 4 holes easy. And then I'll use them for ceramic. If you're using them with water, they must probably do about 10. Can't get easier than that, kids. Can't get easier than that. Wiggle them a bit, keep the tip wet. That hole there, it's not going to drill. Too close to the edge. Oh, it might drill. Chances are it's going to split now. Told you it's going to split. Done it enough over. Now because this is a breeze wall, turn back on me. Because this is a breeze wall, I've done all 4 holes in a porcelain tile with that bit, or with that about a minute. I'm going to get my 6mm bit, I'm going to drill a long hole so I can put a nice 3-inch screw in. So these are my 6mm tile bits, Bish Bash Bosh MJC. These are porcelain tiles, cup of water, blanket there to make sure no drops on it. Get it on the point, wiggle it. Keep your tip wet. The secret to this is a fast drill. Beautiful. Straight through. Wiggle it. Keep wetting it. That's just too close to the edge. It's what knackers your bit up. Got to take it out because you're going to put a 6mm bit through that. forget the porcelain tiles, these. Might look like the ceramic, but the porcelain, look at that, just like a dream, just like a dream. I can't show you any easier than this. Less than a minute. Now I'm going to get a 6mm bit straight through there. Oh, in fact, I don't need to, I put wood in, we'll do a 6mm bit on the tile bit up there, into the breeze. There, wood.
Carry on.
That's it. Beautiful. So then on this end, because this is a breeze wall and we ain't got an old screw to, gently put your bit through. See how easy that just went through. Always gently when you're going through that. Now, you can use the tile bit to drill in, but the tile bit's not long enough for the screw. You got to make sure you're not going into next door. Always drill it when you're coming out as well, so that end don't trap it. Do the same to the other side. Turn it back off. Hammer. Never hammer it. That's split. Straight through. Straight back out. Straight through. Straight back out. Now what we're going to do, red plugs in there, 3-inch screws, silicone, beautiful. So the first thing I've done, I took all the sheets out of the bath again, and I'm backing up any little bits that are falling in. Now if you don't do this, what happens is you get little shards of a tile, and that's what you don't want. You don't want to be standing on that in the bath, because that's what's going to mark the bath. So just back it out nicely. Look at that, beautiful, like brand new, and then you can carry on. Then you can shake your towel out and put it back on.